Dallas, and some of the junior colleges and the colleges were holding all these seminars talking about the JFK, and that was a huge following of the people that were interested. Well, my Gary decided he was interested, and he went to numbers of those meetings that they had. And one of the meetings, he took the camera, and I had this little piece of the window, the wooden piece, it's all blue, and he took this window piece that I had from the 6th floor museum. That's where the piece came from. And it was raining. I know that he had taken his raincoat with him. And evidently he left these items at a meeting. And we didn't really notice for many months, years, I guess, that it had been left somewhere. So I've told my 3 granddaughters, what if I pass away and somebody comes up and says, we have the original Polaroid and want to sell it, sue them because it was mine.
How will you know it's yours?
How well,
is there anything particular about it?
No, there's nothing particular about it other than it was, an 80A small camera. But if they come up and say it is the original and they want to sell it for whatever, it is not theirs to sell. So
Great.
That would not be good.
All right, thank you very much.
Surely.